I'm not gonna let go of you, girl. Till you say stop, you say stop, you say stop, you say stop. And I'm just gonna keep on dancing here till someone stop the music, stop the music, stop the music, stop the music, stop. Any other day I would shake this off, but I'm in over my head, so I keep swimming to the light till I'm alright. And I'm just trying to get to the dance floor, cause I know if I can make it, I can drown all of my problems for the night. So I'ma keep moving and drinking while you watch me, acting like you don't want it, but can't take your eyes off me. And I'ma be here till the song stops, till the club close. So I suggest we take this to my place or yours after this party, that's alright. I'm not gonna let go of you, girl. You say stop, you say stop, you say stop, you say stop. And I'm just gonna keep on dancing here till someone stop the music, stop the music, stop the music, stop the music, stop. Any other girl I would break this off, but there's something I can't let go, and she has it, that's why I keep holding.
Thank you for letting me be myself again, 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 again. I never felt that I'd be on the cover of a magazine. Everybody tells me that I must have been giving up on my dreams. So I'm gonna thank you for letting me be me. No matter what I do, I'm gonna give the best of me.
Now all my dogs, tell me where you at, and all my ladies gather round, cause guess what? Yes, y'all, we are back. Turn your speakers up a notch. Let the bass bump in your house till your neighbors call the cops. Go ahead and express yourself. Nothing gets you higher than you get yourself. Don't get in the mind when they're trying to hold you down. Sing along to the chorus when they come around, man.
Thank you for letting me be myself again,
Once again.
again. Thank you for letting me be myself again,
Once again,
again.
don't be scared. I may come across as a weirdo to most people. I don't know what they're so scared of me for. And it's the same thing wherever we go. They get hypnotized and sing what we flow. You need some big bro in your soul. Believe me, let go, let us take control. I like to speak to the peeps, it's the least I could do. Cause if it wasn't for you freaks, it wouldn't be possible.
Thank you for letting me be what I wanted to be right from the start. You helped me make it through, I owe it all to you. I'm glad to be a part of this great experience. I'm so delirious that we made it this far. Raise your hands up high, it's big bro for life. I thank my lucky stars. Thank you for letting me be myself. Be myself. Again.
Once again.
Thank you for letting me be myself. Again. Again. At the very start we were like, and now we like party people who don't give a raise the roof, moved up to a higher level. Now we're getting more love from our supportive people. So I say, all the haters who wouldn't believe in us, and I say, all the people who told us we couldn't bust. So here we are now, blowing up now. I just wanna
Yo,
thank
what's up?
you.
One of the best, so we back at it. From UK to USA, we cause havoc and bring magic. They knew we was gonna make it because we just too real and we can't fake it. We hot playing. See, me being me is the thing I adore. I ain't never ever had to change before. I keep it real for my dogs, make them jump on the floor from the front to the back. I'll make them all want more. So